there is some sort of special keywords we have, type def and other things. This type def will help you to rename the existing data type keywords that you have. For example, when you work with CAPL programming, we have a keyword called word, D word, double word, like that. Actually, word in case of CAPL is 16-bit in size. In C, what is the keyword to use that we use to declare the variable which is having 16-bit in size? In C, the answer should be it depends. It depends on your microcontroller and microprocessor for which you are programming. For the compiler that we are using in this course, now the GCC compiler, to declare word, we have to use the keyword short because integer is 4 byte. Less than half of that one is short. Right. Using short, see one keyword in CAPL, one keyword in embedded C. I want to use the same keyword in both. So in that time, using type diff, you can create a, you can rename your existing data type. That means you can call your int as, short as word. Thereafter, you can declare using that keyword. Word, you can declare a short variable and can use it. Right. Using type defined using using type diff keyword. So using type def keyword, we can do that. So let us see some example in that. Type def short as word, then word k is equal to 0x ff fe, right? So actually I am using, usually people used to do all these things in a separate file. In C program, you will see only this keyword, word k, like that. You should not think like, okay, there is a keyword in the keyword called word in embedded C. Actually, they gave a different name for short using type definition. Right. So what I do, let us do it as it happens in real time. I just use word k here. No, I create another file. I call this file as lookup. Right here, I paste this keyword. Store it under embedded C. Right. Now what I do, I say GCC array point.c lookup.c and then O array ARR point.exe lookup.c. We created file now. Okay, loop. I think I made a mistake. Move .c to lookup.c. Okay, unknown name, type name word. Why? Okay, it is not. This is in editor. No. So what I do, we have to include it. Hash include lookup.c. Right. So here are right. Actually, it is assigning, but only thing is we are not printing it. We can print that. Print value of k is equivalent to %d comma k. So I have not used the keyword short. I used the keyword that I defined in another file, and then I included that file with this one. Right. So as I included that, I can use the defined data type here to declare variables. That is what that is the use of type defined keyword. Right. So let's see whether that is working. Minus 26. Why it is minus 26? Short. There's a overflow. Okay, maybe this is a signed short, no unsigned short we have to give. So I have to go to include file, notepad lookup.c. There I can say unsigned short. Then only the full range will come.
So this type def is just to give the synonyms, right, sir?
Yes, synonyms. It's synonyms to data types. Right? 65,346 we are getting, which is actually decimal equivalent of this value, FFFE. Why I gave that value? Because that is the maximum value, one less than maximum value in short. That means in 16-bit value, that is the one less than that one. Right. So that is the use of type def keyword. Are you clear about this one? It's just giving a synonym to data type. So based on the projects that you work with, the common terminology used in that particular domain, as I told in vector, in automotive domain, they use the word, D word, these sort of things that is not there in C. If that is the case, they can redefine, they can define that data types that they can use in C with the name which is aligned with the organization or a product or a tool, something like that, if they can do it right now. For that, the type def keyword is a very good choice.
But
Right.
we have here in the this one we have short, right, sir? But
Can I use the short again in the main explicitly? Okay, I change the unsigned short as word. Can I use short after I define it in the type def? Is that your question? Or
no,
short is already there in
huh.
short is already there in C. Right. In cable and automotive domain, they use 16-bit entity is called as 16-bit entities are called as word, and 32-bit entities are called as D word. So this is like in that particular domain, they use that one. There is no short, those sort of things. Right. That's why we are aligning C data types to commonly used data types in that particular domain. No, I didn't understand your question exactly.
Yes, like we already have unsigned short. So again, why we are giving the name as word? Because of just for the convention purpose, or
Just for convention purpose. So to use it in that particular domain, unsigned chart will be, so they may think what is the size of that, and they are more familiar with word than the unsigned chart. That's why we are giving a synonyms.
okay, got it, sir.
Got it now?
Yes, sir.
So based on the convenience and how much awareness that they have on the particular keyword, we just use that one. Maybe their documentation, entire documentation, use the term word instead of unsigned chart. So in that time, they can go for this.
Yes,
Clear?
yes, sir.
Okay. After this, we have some few more topics. Once we completed that, then we can proceed to studying of data sheet and other stuff. Okay, we have pending enumeration and then structure and union. After these three things, we will study some preprocessor directives. Then we can go for doing a project. Right?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, Vikas. Let me catch you next week with more detail. Any doubt?
No, sir. Clear, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank